fellas try to do what those ladies tell us. Get shot down cause you're overzealous. Play hard to get females, get jealous. And you're wishing someone could cure your lonely condition. Looking for love in all the wrong places. No fine girls, just ugly faces. To rock around, that's right, on time is tricky. Tricky.
Can you take me higher? Oh, sorry.
What the heck?
Oh my god!
Worm, we got worm, get worm.
Let's go!
To Camp Herman.
Camp Herman. Yeah, get a room tour going on.
Yeah, show us. Show us.
All right, so towels, bucket, water, fire, very important. We have our bed, basically our Airbnb.
We got new sleeping bags. They're rated for -20.
Probably gonna readjust the position of this guy, but
Good storage.
shelving, very important. Welcome, Matt, because it's a home. This is what I like to call the kitchen / fire pit / eating / chilling area. Also. So there's many purposes, as you can see, lights, garbage, out of the reach of the bears. Refrigerator. The main event tonight. Fire pit, lounging chair. I gotta take care of my wife's chair. We're not gonna use that grill. We actually got our own grill right there. There's the stovetop. And
There she is. Where are we at?
we are in the Bighorn National Forest in Wyoming.
Time to make a marshy stick. Boink. Oh, looky there.
See the happy girl one more time.
First marshy of the season. Good morning.
Morning. That's something fun to wake up to.
Oh, we better cheers. We got our coffee. And our mug.
Cheers.
It's cold.
Don't even need ice. Good to go today.
That's a good cold brew.
Yeah, it is.
setup did great though. It's dry in here. Guess we're not gonna go kayaking.
We got her all snowed up, ready to get some good traction on the bottom of the kayak.
Let's go sledding! It's so cold! I think, well, what time is it?
Almost 10 a.m.
I think we have made the executive decision. We're gonna pack her up and go home.
You know, just not. I think it's snowing harder now than
Yeah,
it was even earlier.
the snow is not let up at all. Then we can't go hiking, so it'd be sloppy. You can't go kayaking.
Too cold.
But we've enjoyed it this morning.
Yeah, it's been a fun experience.
And now we're gonna go see our kitties.
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, it is kind of pretty. Here, let me just hold the camera straight up.
Okay. Careful with the dirty fingers.
Wow.
Winter.